Hello everyone. This is question number 7 related to maintenance management. Versus Nirmala Toolkit Private Ltd has a workshop comprising of 20 tool machines of similar type. To improve the preventive maintenance plan, the workshop manager collects the data of failure history of the machines as under elapsed time after maintenance attention in months, probability of failure. So here they give us the data as elapsed time as 1 to 6 months, and then the probability of failure 0.2, 0.15, 0.15, 0.15, 0.15, and 0.2. They also gave us it costs rupees 150 to attend a failed mission and rectify the same. Compute the yearly cost of servicing the broken down machines. Here we will consider this elapsed time after maintenance attention as variable x. We'll call it as xi. Probability of the corresponding failure is pi. So we'll create one column here to find out the expected time before the next failure. Means expected value we will calculate. So here we will consider this as xi into pi. So the first one will be 0.2, second one will be 0.3, third is 0.45, fourth is 0.60, fifth is 0.75, and then finally the sixth one is 1.20. We'll create one row below where we will calculate the total 0.2. Let us add this. 5 plus 5 is 10. So you will have 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 10. 16, 23, 25. 2 plus 1, 3. That means it is 3.5 months. So we can say expected time before failure on an average is summation xi into pi, which is 3.5 months, 3.5 months. Now we will find out how many number of repairs per machine per annum. Number of repairs per machine per annum. Since we are considering annum here, we worked out in, so we will say this is number of months in per year divided by expected time before failure. That will give us 12 months in 1 year divided by 3.5. If we calculate this, we will get 12 divided by 3.5. We'll get 3.43 approx. Now, the question has given us that 20 tool machines are there in total. So considering tool machines, and rupees 150 to attend a failed mission and rectify the same, the yearly cost of servicing will be, we'll keep it as it is 12 by 3.5 because that is coming into decimals, into 20 such machines into 115 for servicing. So this, if you calculate, you will get 12 into 20 into 150 divided by 3.5. You get 10,286 approx. So that is the solution for this particular question. Question number 8. A public transport system is experiencing the following number of breakdowns for months over the past 2 years in their new fleet of vehicle. Number of breakdowns is given from 0 to 4, and the number of months this particular breakdown occurred, that is given as a frequency. Each breakdown costs the firm an average of rupees 2,800. For a cost of rupees 1,500 per month, preventive maintenance can be carried out to limit the breakdowns to an average of 1 per month. Which policy is suitable for the firm? So the same data, number of breakdowns, I just made it as a transpose, number of breakdowns in the first column, number of months in the second column. We are going to calculate the probability, and then for finding out the average number of breakdowns, we'll be calculating in the next column xi. For example, this number of breakdowns, we'll be considering it as variable x. So we'll call it as xi. And this probability we will be computing by adding all this, means 2 plus 8, 10, 20, 24. So this is 24. Just justify this. Yeah. So now the first one is 2 by 24. If we calculate, we will get 0.083. 8 by 24 is nothing but 1 by 3, and that is 0.333. 10 by 24, it will work out to 0.417. 3 by 24 is 1 by 8, which is 0.125. 1 by 24 works out to 0.042. Now, if we add this, we will get 1 as the total probability. Here we will be computing xi into pi so that we can find out what is summation xi pi, which is our expected value of number of breakdowns or expected number of breakdowns. So 0 into 0.083 is 0. This will be 0.333. This will be 0.834. This is 0.375. This is 0.168. And the total will become 1.710. We can say now expected breakdowns is nothing but summation xi into pi. That just now we calculated it is 1.71. Now, we will calculate now expected breakdown cost per month. Expected. This is 1.71 numbers per month. Now, expected breakdown cost per month will be this 1.71. We will multiply it with the cost per breakdown, which is given as rupees 2,800. So multiplied by rupees 2,800. So that means this will be rupees 4,788. Now we will calculate the preventive maintenance cost per month. First one, average cost of one breakdown per month is, because when you do preventive maintenance, it says that limit the breakdowns. Preventive maintenance can be carried out to limit the breakdowns to an average of one per month. So that cost we are considering rupees 2,800. And then maintenance cost. What is that? For a cost of rupees 1,500 per month. So maintenance, preventive maintenance, basically. Preventive maintenance cost per month is given as rupees 1,500. So that means the total will be rupees 4,300. Now we may notice that since breakdown cost per month or breakdown maintenance cost per month is greater than preventive maintenance cost per month, total preventive, this is total, let's say total preventive maintenance cost per month. Preventive maintenance policy is suitable for the firm. So that will be the conclusion.